Good morning, guys. So today we're going to be making an omelette for breakfast. But this one we're going to be adding some Spam tocino flavor. So just simple ingredients because we're on a campground right now. So our ingredients are limited, but we'll make do what we have. So first, hold on. We got garlic. It's already been minced. We got onions, cherry tomatoes, Spam tocino flavor, or just regular Spam will do. I don't like the original one though because they are too salty. I find them too salty. So you can either use different flavored ones or use the 25% less sodium and less fat. And of course we got the eggs here. So I just used half onion. Sorry, about 3-4 slices of probably like half, maybe a third of the Spam. Quite a bit of cherry tomatoes because I like them. About 4-5 cloves of garlic minced, and just 6 eggs for now. As you can see, I got everything prepped already. Just the eggs. That should be good enough. Alright, so everything's been prepped. I'm going to be using olive oil. Good. So I dial in. It's olive oil, so it's good. It's healthy. So I can add quite a bit if I want to. So as you can see, I started with the onions. I used to put in the garlic first, but sometimes that would get burnt, so I'm doing that second. So for me, it's, well, now anyway, it's onions and then garlic. But back then it used to be, like, for the longest time, in one garlic and then onion. So it's up to you kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Now I'm gonna add the garlic. Okay, that's good. Okay. Sabi nga ng mga Pinoy, mekos-mekos lang. By the way, Taglish tayo ha, ang content natin. English-Tagalog. Para maintindihan din ng mga ng mga banyaga. Buwan lang natin ng saglit na ganyan. Now we're adding the tomatoes. Kaya na ilagay natin yung cherry tomatoes. Hinati ko lang sa gitna, so just cut in half. Ewan basta yung lasa niya, hindi basta niya. Like parsley or any of those. Next one's gonna be the Spam. This one and the eggs. Para mas malasa. Maiba naman. Alright, so yung next mekos. Mekos-mekos lang. Nakikita niya lumalabas na yung niya. Pag niluluto yung kamatis. Masarap yung kamatis pag nagigisa na ganito. Somehow it tastes here. It tastes different. By the way, I already add salt and pepper dun sa itlog na kinasaw ko na siya. Okay, and the next one's gonna be the spam. So, konting mekos ulit. Mekos lang. Alright, next one's gonna be the diced spam. Or kung ano gusto nyo ilagay, bacon. We don't have bacon, so we're using that. Saka yung spam nga pala na yun, leftover yun from last night. So, hindi na nakasayang yung mga leftover. Pero wag naman yung sobrang tagal na. So, kagabi lang yun na leftover. Yung misis ko nga pala nagre-ready ng prutas. And yung anak ko nagchichillax muna. Alright, next up is yung itlog natin. So, okay, medyo halo-haloy ko na lang para pantay yung luto niya. Saka pala hindi masyadong luto yung so make sure it's evenly cooked. I think the fire is too high. Turn it down a bit. Quite a bit. Mabigat. Hindi doon kumakapit. Hindi na yung paluto na yan. Basically done. I don't want overdone. Alright, so my son will do the taste testing. So yan na, titikman muna ng anak ko. Done.
Disgusting.
Ito na hoy. Gross. What?
It's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Yes. Does it need more salt, pepper? No? Yeah?
No.
No, it's good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, we're done. And we're gonna go ahead and eat our breakfast. Kain muna tayo. And then my wife's preparing some fruits. Say hi muna. Ayaw magpakita kasi hindi pa hindi pa nakapagayos. Ayaw yung sabihin woke up like this. Nag-decide nga pala akong sangag ng rice. Walang hindi ko lagyan ng bawang, olive oil lang. No salt. Leftover din yan from last night. So I didn't add any salt or anything else. Just the olive oil. Walang uminit siya. Yan, lang. Simple na. And meron kaming sliced oranges and Philippine mangoes para sa breakfast namin. Meron ding peanut butter and bread, whole wheat bread. Ito nga pala, coffee turn it on. By the way, hindi kami sponsored ng Eureka at saka McDonald's. Coffee time. So, meron kami mga solar na gadgets, yung ilaw, lights. Tapos yung solar panel, so, 200 watts from Blue Yeti as well. And meron din na pang charge namin ng battery naman, so that's also 200 watts. There's the battery. Uy, bumutok na ako yung kote. Irrigation sponsor us. Sponsor din yung Halikirek. Smells so good. Smells so good. Coffee's done. Again, not sponsored, okay? I'm not getting anything out of it. Out of that company. But mas masarap siya kaysa Tim's. Yung Tim Hortons kasi ibang lasa niya. Not like they used to. Hindi nga palang pancit canton. So ito yung breakfast namin. Alright, dig in. Kain tayo. Brunch na pala. Malapit na pala magtanghali. Thank you for watching.